Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Microsoft Copilot app on Windows 11 step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling the Microsoft Copilot app on Windows 11, first, click on the Start menu located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, select the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the Settings window, click on Apps to access the application settings. Now, find the Apps and Features section in the left sidebar and select it. Scroll through the list of installed applications to locate Microsoft Copilot. You can also use the search bar at the top of the Apps and Features page to type Copilot for quicker access. Once you find the Microsoft Copilot app, click on it to reveal more options. You will see an Uninstall button appear, click on it to proceed. A confirmation prompt will pop up asking if you are sure you want to uninstall the app. Click on Uninstall again to confirm your choice. Windows will now begin the uninstallation process for Microsoft Copilot. Wait for the process to complete, this may take a few moments. Once it's finished, the app will no longer be listed in your Apps and Features section. To ensure everything is removed, you can restart your computer. After the restart, check the Apps and Features list again to confirm that Microsoft Copilot has been uninstalled. And that's how you uninstall the Microsoft Copilot app on Windows 11. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.